Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we have a update for Microsoft Edge. It does not seem to have security updates on it, as we have Chromium updates for security this week. So it might be just tomorrow that the security part of things are going to be fixed. But for now, Microsoft Edge, if you go to Edge and go to the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback, and about Microsoft Edge. As of right now, on September 12th, will be updated to 128.0.2739.79. So, like I said, this is not the security updates for now. It's really just the some bug fixes. So, what does it fix? If you pin some of the websites to your taskbar, they might actually come in double. So if that was a bug that apparently is happening. So they fixed that. And they also fixed, if you're using a URL listing where some websites can be accessed or not, it apparently in some websites it would crash the browser. So that is also something that's fixed. So they basically fixed two little bugs for Microsoft Edge in here. No security updates as of yet. There should be. I would guess that, like I said, if it's not today, the 12th, might be tomorrow, the 13th. So, nothing like having updates on Friday the 13th. Already, it's always a little complicated with Windows and different software. So, no rush, but if you do have little problems, you can, of course, apply it. Or you can wait and it will apply by itself, or maybe apply together with the security updates when they arrive for Chromium. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.